Hello and welcome to part 2 of my quick and easy colourful Christmas cards. In part 1 I showed you how to paint 2 sheets of paper using wax crayons and watercolour paints, and now we're going to cut them up and turn them into Christmas cards. I'm using a paper trimmer, but you could just as easily use a straight edge and craft knife or a pair of scissors. It's up to you. And I'm going to be cutting pieces that measure 10 by 8 centimetres. This fits comfortably on a 15 by 10 centimetre folded greetings card. If you prefer to work in imperial measurements, then cut your picture up into pieces that measure 4 by 3 inches, and that will fit a 6 by 4 inch greetings card. You may find that you also have a few extra little strips or smaller pieces. Put these aside, don't throw them away. They can easily be turned into gift tags or used for collage. When it comes to assembling the cards, it really couldn't be easier. You can buy card already pre-cut, you just have to fold it in half, and with a glue stick it's easy to stick the pieces that you've cut up onto the front of the card. If you want to add a few enhancements, some little sticky jewels, faux jewels. The ones I'm using have sticky backs. You just have to peel them off and stick them on. You could also add a shiny sticker or just a circle that you've cut out of shiny paper. And if you want to add a message, I like to use dimensional paint for this. This comes in a little squeezy bottle with a nozzle or sometimes in a tube. Write your message and then sprinkle this with a little bit of loose glitter and leave it to dry. Once you've used up all the pieces you cut, you can still make use of some of the offcuts. Here's a strip, cut it into 3 and just join the 3 pieces together into a sort of abstract pattern. Other little scraps or offcuts could be turned into gift tags, and you could also just add pieces cut from old Christmas cards, other bits of collage as well.